Black Monday, Sensex plunges 800 points, Nifty below 22,600, U.S. growth worries among key factors behind market crash.
Man, oh man, it's been a rough start to the week. We're talking blood red, folks, with the Sensex and Nifty taking a serious nosedive. I'm talking about a real gut punch to the market. But hey, don't you worry your pretty little heads, because I'm here to break it all down for you. We're gonna dive deep, get our hands dirty, and figure out exactly what's driving this market crash. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Let's dive into the key factors behind this market crash. First up, we've got Trump and his tariffs. Now, I'm all for America first, but this tit-for-tat tariff war with India and China, that's got me worried, folks. Seriously worried. It's like playing with fire, and nobody wins in the end. This uncertainty, this fear of a trade war, it's got investors running for the hills. They're selling off stocks faster than you can say trade deficit, and that's putting huge pressure on the markets. We've seen this story before, folks. Tariffs lead to higher prices lead to inflation, and inflation, well, that's the silent killer of returns. It eats away at your profits like a termite in a woodpile. We need to keep a close eye on this tariff situation, because it could get ugly fast. And as if the tariff situation wasn't bad enough, we've got foreign investors heading for the exits. They're dumping Indian stocks like they're going out of style, and that's adding fuel to the fire. We're talking about billions of dollars being pulled out of the market, and that kind of selling pressure is enough to make even the bravest bull run for cover. Now, I'm not saying that all foreign investors are selling, but when you see this kind of exodus, it's a sign that confidence is shaken. These are smart guys. They're not going to stick around if they don't see value. So, the question is, what do they know that we don't? Chapter 3. U.S. slowdown, a global cold front. And if you think things couldn't get any worse, let's talk about the U.S. economy. The latest data is showing signs of slowing down, and that's got everyone on edge. A slowdown in the U.S. economy is bad news for everyone, especially export-driven economies like India. Remember, when the U.S. sneezes, the rest of the world catches a cold. And right now, it sounds like the U.S. is coming down with a nasty case of the flu. This is a global market, folks, and what happens in one part of the world will inevitably affect us all. We need to brace ourselves for a bumpy ride. So there you have it, folks. The perfect storm of negative factors has sent the markets into a tailspin. But, before you go running for the hills, remember that volatility is a part of the game. This too shall pass. The key is to stay calm, stay informed, and don't make any rash decisions. Now is the time to review your portfolio, make sure you're diversified, and have a plan. And most importantly, don't forget to check back here for more market updates and analysis. We'll be here to guide you through the ups and downs, so stay tuned. That's all for today's market update. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates.